Good morning, friends. Welcome once again. Today we will try to learn about the pie chart. So let's start. So here, let's suppose that books in quantities, books. So we have got number of books, and this is physics, and then chemistry, and then I have a book of biology also, followed by English, and the number of books I am having is 5 under my custody, then 8, then 2, and suppose it is 10. Okay, so these are number of books. Better write quantity. I love this music, the keyboard music, some beautification and alignment. Okay, now I will be selecting from physics to 10, insert pi and anyone this, and here is my beautiful pie chart. So if you want the labeling, it can be done. How to label? Now label means what this blue signifies, how many items. So just click on it, then right click and add data labels, and you will be having this one. Okay, thank you from my side.